Hello, I am Dr. Jacqueline Bisesa McKenzie, Chief Medical Officer of Jamaica. The Ministry of Health and Wellness has placed great importance on helping to foster the development of the National Blood Transfusion Service in Jamaica. This stems from knowing that the access to safe blood and blood products are key components to an effective health system. Blood transfusion and the transfusion of blood products help save thousands of lives, with every donation helping to save at least 3 individuals. The need for blood is universal, but access to blood for all those who need it is not. Blood shortages are particularly acute in developing countries. It is with this in mind that we have continued to make steps to improve our ability to collect blood, with huge importance being placed on the technical commitment of the Ministry to the National Blood Transfusion Service. In recent times, we have procured 1 additional mobile blood collection unit. This has increased our capability to reach voluntary donors in areas where donation facilities may not be readily available. We have also entered into partnerships with the various stakeholders across the island to launch campaigns geared towards educating the public on the need for donations. The Ministry of Health and Wellness is committed to providing all the resources and support necessary to ensure that there is adequate blood for our fellow Jamaicans. We want to urge our regional partners to continue doing their part as we strive to achieve universal access to healthcare and to promote the community value of blood donation in enhancing community solidarity and social cohesion. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Juliet Cuthbert Flynn, Minister of State in the Ministry of Health and Wellness. Annually on June 14th, countries around the world recognize World Blood Donor Day. The global celebration aims to raise awareness of the need for safe blood, blood products, and to thank donors for their life-saving gifts. The global theme changes each year to recognize the selfless individuals who contribute to help those unknown to them. The theme for this year's celebration, Give Blood and Keep the World Beating, highlights the importance of blood donors whilst lightening their contribution to the beating heart and pulse of our global community. The universal need for regular donation is a real thing. We must all look at the vital role giving blood plays in our society. Blood and blood products are needed to care for women with pregnancy and childbirth associated bleeding, children undergoing surgeries, individuals with leukemia, cancer patients, people suffering from heart and cardiovascular diseases, trauma cases, accident victims, and people undergoing advanced medical and surgical procedures. Let's face it, we all know at least one person who fits into one of those categories mentioned. Today is an ideal time and the perfect day for all of us to consider our family, friends, and community and make a concerted effort to donate. I want to take this opportunity to applaud those who advocate and encourage others to participate in this life-saving practice. I urge you to continue playing your part in ensuring good health and wellness for all ages. Let us all come together to give blood and keep the world beating.
Hello, I'm Dr. Chris Tufton, MP, Minister of Health and Wellness. Jamaica is proud to be leading the regional celebration of World Blood Donor Day 2021 under the theme, Give Blood and Keep the World Beating. Blood is as life-giving as it is life-changing, and it is virtually important for our achievement of universal access to healthcare. For 2021, a special focus will be placed on the role of young people in ensuring a safe blood supply. In Jamaica, we have long set a national target to strengthen the voluntary blood donation system with a focus on youth. Persons between 18 and 24 years old offer a valuable resource for expansion of voluntary blood donation in Jamaica, and we are encouraged by the knowledge that the 20 to 40 age group lead the way in donating blood on our island. Recent data available to the ministry shows that there has been an increase in blood donations. However, the National Blood Transfusion Service aims to supply at least 75% of all blood that is requested on the island, and data from April 2020 showed that the entity was still only able to supply 55% of all blood requests. It is with this in mind that I add my voice to the call for Jamaicans and youth within the 17 to 19 age group to voluntarily give blood. I want to also call on persons within the region to play their part in ensuring the well-being for all.